This is good news. Good news for people that are business people. If you are interested in a foldable tab, that actually foldable smartphone, because these things kind of like I would call it foldable tablets, but they are actually foldable phones. Xiaomi just released their Mi Mix Fold. It's their first folding smartphone. It is coming with the Snapdragon 888 flagship chipset, 12 gigs of RAM, very large inbuilt storage as well. The thing here is that it's a very cool device overall. It's coming with a screen resolution of 2480 by 1860 pixels. It supports high dynamic range 10 plus. It also once you fold it, you will only have a 6.5 2-inch display for use overall, and the resolution on that is about 2520 by 840 pixels. The refresh rate on the screen is 90 hertz. Not bad. It's what it is. It's coming with a 5000 milliamp battery. It also can charge very quick because it's coming with a 67 watts fast charging feature, and as well as uh, other great specification like Wi-Fi 6, a Harmon Kardon tuned speaker. The cameras you get are three, 108 megapixel main camera, 30 megapixel true wide, 30 megapixel telephoto, and about 8 megapixel macro. It is very, very powerful. It is the most affordable premium foldable phone that you can buy because it's priced at $1,500. The problem here you will have already is availability. It is not available every other place. It's not available in the United States, not available any other place. It's only available in China right now, and the problem here is that it is not a worldwide release, so the Google Play Store is not integrated into it. But if it does get a worldwide release, I will be sure to update this and probably make another podcast report on this. But for now, this is not a worldwide release. It's for China for now. But you never know what can happen if this becomes really popular over there. We shall see. Do subscribe to our channel. Do like our content. Follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.